Even the strongest relationships can be strained because of snoring. A lot of couples are becoming resentful towards each other because of an issue that affects millions on a nightly basis. Snoring, by either one or both of the couple, results in lack of sleep. This is a major cause of irritation, frustration and resentment in a relationship. Because of this, snoring solutions should be sought. Effects of snoring in a relationship. Aside from lack of sleep, snoring also causes other problems to a relationship. As mentioned, the snorer and the bed partner can both experience emotional turmoil as a result of snoring. Thus, problems may start arising due to the stress, frustration and fatigue that is caused by snoring. Here are some of the effects of snoring in a relationship. This will help a couple realize why learning how to stop snoring should be discussed to be able to have a stronger relationship. Resentment. Resentment is often the result of snoring in a couple. Because the snorer may feel that he or she is being judged or disliked by his or her partner because of snoring, which is something that they have no control over, they will feel resentment towards their partner. The same also goes for a person with a snoring partner. Because he or she might feel that the other person is not doing anything to stop snoring, he or she may feel resentment towards his or her bed partner. Fights. Aside from resentment, spats and fights are often the result of snoring. Discussions about snoring while the couple feels exhausted from work or school will often lead to fights, which can turn into contempt, which will ultimately result in an ending of a relationship. Loneliness. Often, couples with snoring problems sleep on separate beds or bedrooms so that the snorer would not disturb his or her partner's sleep. Although this is often one of the best snoring solutions, it may lead to loneliness. Couples who sleep in separate bedrooms will have lesser physical intimacy, which often leads to problems. Because the snorer will likely feel that he or she is lonely most of the time because of something that he or she cannot control, he or she will feel like his or her relationship with his or her partner is deteriorating. Divorce. There are cases wherein a couple would decide to part ways because of snoring problems. Although snoring is just one factor in the reasons why couples file for divorce, it plays a big role in the problems of couples. Often, knowing how to stop snoring was not able to help save the relationship. Because snoring would add to the issues that the couple is already facing, it may worsen the situation. Especially if the couple is already arguing about snoring and how following steps to stop snoring are not working. Resentment, diminishing respect, and frustration are often brought on by snoring, which will add to the problems of a couple, which will lead to them calling it quits. Improving a relationship by knowing how to stop snoring. Even though snoring has lots of negative effects on a relationship, it can be controlled. By working together, a couple will be able to overcome snoring and the problems that it brings. Thus, couples will be able to rebuild their relationship and repair the damage caused by snoring. Though some may view snoring as a relationship problem as trivial and ridiculous, it is never an issue to ignore. Determining how to stop snoring is important to be able to achieve a relationship where resentment, anger and frustration are not an issue. Identify the cause of snoring. One of the best ways to cure snoring is to first identify the cause of the problem. This will enable the couple to find the best snoring solutions that will increase your chances of success early on and prevent snoring. It is important to manage your expectations. In some cases, the snorer won't be able to totally stop snoring. However, the issue might be resolved by lessening the sound and the frequency of the snoring. Here are a few popular methods that have been very successful in helping people stop snoring, and couples back to sleeping comfortably. Try various sleeping positions. Certain sleeping positions, such as sleeping flat on the back, may cause snoring. Thus, trying various sleeping positions such as sleeping on the side may help reduce snoring. Also, using a special snoring pillow, one that helps elevate the head or ensure that the neck is not crunched when sleeping, will also greatly help. Lose weight. A major factor that can cause snoring is excessive weight. Thus, losing some weight will certainly help you or your partner reduce the severity of snoring. This is because excess fats and tissue may cause the air passage to become slightly blocked, resulting in snoring. This is why one of the best ways to reduce snoring is to lose weight in a healthy way. Doing so will also improve the overall health of the snorer. Clear nasal passages. Another common and effective snoring solution that people have tried is clearing the nasal passages before bedtime. This will enable the snorer to free his airway from any obstruction that can cause snoring. Using nasal decongestants is quite effective and often does not cause allergies or side effects, which makes it recommended by physicians. However, a more natural method is to use a neti pot to naturally flush out any impurities in the nasal passages. Use a humidifier. Using a humidifier to stop snoring is also effective. Because humid air will prevent the nasal passage and throat from drying and getting irritated, snoring is reduced. Humidifiers are also quite effective in making the snorer breathe more easily, which will enable the snorer to have a longer and more comfortable recuperative sleep. Snoring can be a big problem in serious relationships. But with the help of various solutions, not only can the snoring can be reduced, but they can result to an improved relationship and quality of life. For more information, click the link below.